Hello lovely souls and welcome to my channel, the Hierophant 1111. So today our pickup pile reading is going to be on what is our life's purpose, what is the mission for which we have come to earth. Okay, so you all have 3 piles, take your time and choose the one which calls to you the most. This is going to be the first pile, the pink one, the pink gift box. The second is going to be the green gift box and the third is going to be the silver gift box. Okay guys, so y'all take your time and choose the pile. Y'all can pause the video, take your time, and when y'all are ready, come back. Okay, y'all can choose more than one piles and see what comes for y'all. Okay, and till then guys, I'm going to be starting with the pink gift pile. Okay guys, so let's see if y'all have chosen this beautiful pink gift box. What's your mission? The High Priestess, Answer the Call, Warrior Woman, and Star Mother. Okay, so guys, first thing that y'all have come here is to learn how reparenting. Okay, y'all have come here to okay guys, to reparent yourself, to remove all those blockages of the past lives. Okay, if you all felt that you all were not properly, not even in this life and in any other life, if you all were not given the love, care and concern from your parents in any lifetime, you all have learned to remove all those feelings and reparent yourself. Okay, how can I mother myself is the question. Okay, so you all have come to learn that. Okay, that you need to nurture, care for yourself. And then the second one is you all have come here to be a warrior woman or a man, that doesn't matter, whatever you all are. If you all have chosen this pile, no, irrespective of gender, you all have come here to be the warrior. Okay, to teach others to face difficulties and then rise up again. Okay, with grace, and to rise up again and then face your life as it comes. So you all are supposed to be the warrior, and you all are supposed to teach others to be a warrior with your life example, that it is not difficult. Okay, to stand up for yourself. Again, that is also another lesson. You have to teach people to stand up for themselves. Are you answering your deepest calling? So to do what you believe without believing in other people's words, and getting scared of other people questioning you of what you want to do in your life. You are here to answer to your deepest calling, what you want to be. Okay, you are supposed to rely on yourself. So this is the second thing that I get. What is your soul calling you to do? Again, you are here to show people to do what they are supposed to do, what they like to do and what they want to do. So you have to set an example. You are here to set an example, to show people that what you want to do, you have to do that only. You have to achieve what you are guided to. Okay, what your inner self tells you to. So you are here to teach people to listen to themselves rather than on believing on other people more. Okay, how are you being called to step up and lead? See, again, y'all are your goal, your mission, your life purpose over here is to lead people by example. Okay, by doing the thing that you feel is right, by not dimming to fit in a group of people, and to show others that this is the way you lead your life. Okay, and people will follow you in the future. So you are supposed to be a leader and guide others how to be a leader. So this is what I'm getting for y'all, if y'all have chosen the pink box. And now let's move on to the green one. Okay, so if you have chosen this beautiful green box, okay, so you are a star seed. Okay, if you have chosen the green one, you are a star seed, and your goal on earth is to break the chain. You have to break your, if you have to help other people to break their ancestral patterns. Okay, you have come here to teach people to ascend. Okay, And again, you have come here to lay foundations according to the divine plan. Okay, you have come to work for the divine plan. And maybe this even shows me that you feel lonely over here on this planet, because you all are from another galaxy, another, so if you have come here, you have come here because you are a part of the divine plan, and you have come here to teach people to break their chains, break their ancestral patterns, and ascend. Okay, I also see inner temple, tune into the portal of your heart. Okay, so this is clearly telling you, this card is clearly telling you that if you have chosen the green one, obviously, which is the color of the heart chakra, so you have to you will ascend when you are in tune with your heart. Okay, and you will reach where you are, you will reach where you belong to. Over here also, maybe some in this card, if I go even deeper, and if you could see, there are other planets over here, so this confirms that you are a star seed. Okay, and you have come here to show people and lay foundations for them. How is the correct way to pray? How is the what is the correct way to behave? Okay, you have come here to create show them that devotion comes from the heart. And you have also come here to show them the temple path. Okay, you all have come here to show them the correct way to connect to God, to connect to the divine. What is the true way, what is the real way? So this is the one for the green one, green gift box. And let's go on for the silver one. If you all have chosen the silver gift box, let's see what you have come here for. Creating heaven on earth. So you have come here to create a life that is as beautiful as heaven on earth for people. Okay, you all have come here to show them that life is beautiful on earth as well. A great gathering, it's all coming together. So intuitive hits soul tribe. So I am seeing over here that you have come here to find your soul tribe. Okay, you all have come here to once you find your soul tribe, your life mission will enlighten for you. The pillar of light, you are the oracle. See, your vibration is rising, and once you join your soul tribe, you will realize, okay, that you are a part of this divine guidance, and you are the age of light. You have been training for this for lifetime. So the divine is telling you that you have come here to create heaven on earth. Okay, and you were training for this for lifetimes above. Okay, play, have fun, celebrate, do not be so serious. So you have come here to teach along with other people how to have fun. Okay, how to not be serious at all times. You have come here to create happiness, to create mental peace, if you have chosen the silver pile. Okay, so this is quite different from the others. So I hope you all liked the reading. If you all did, do like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon, guys, to miss any video from me in the future. See you guys tomorrow. Till then, bye bye.